What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and as you can already see from the title of this video, the 135 is getting a new steering wheel. This is not just any old steering wheel. I'm sure some of you guys might be familiar with this company, NRW, Nelson Racing Wheel. I've ordered a wheel from him months ago, but I haven't been in a rush to install it only because the car's been sitting. It's winter. I live in a crappy state, so I can't drive it anyways. But today I'm bored. I've got the heater on, so I'm sorry if you hear a little bit buzzing in the background, but I'm ready to install this steering wheel, and I want to show you guys what it looks like. But first, I'm sure many of you can relate to this issue. These cars, the plastic trim on these, the steering wheel and the center dash area, sometimes on the door panels, it peels, it chips, it dings up. Over time, I'm just guessing from people dinging into it and putting their fingers on it, it peels away and it looks like crap. This has always bothered me in my car. I'd like to think I have a fairly clean interior, but this just, anytime I get in, I always see this right away. So some people take this off. If you've got it, you can remove these and vinyl wrap it to cover up that, or you can sand it down and paint it, but I'm just gonna get rid of this whole thing. Even though this is a beautiful M Sport wheel, definitely an upgrade for some other cars, but what I've got is even better, and I can promise you that. So without wasting any more time, I'm gonna show you guys this new wheel. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's pull this sucker out of here. He shipped this in an excellent package, and it came with this cool little cinch bag. But this is the wheel. So as you can see, I have the flat bottom, full carbon with Alcantara sides, this white stripe along with white stitching. You'll see when I install this, the reason I chose the white stripe and the white stitching with the Alcantara over leather or something like that is because I already have the BMW Performance shift boot in the car, so this matches my shift boot perfectly. I wanted like a one-of-one custom wheel, and that's what he's all about. So this is a wheel that you won't find anywhere else in the US, anywhere ever actually. So I think it's beautiful. The quality on this thing is unreal. I mean, the gloss on this clear coat is just phenomenal. This thing is beautiful. So let's see what we can do about getting this in the car. Okay, so I already disconnected the battery in the back, and the first step in getting this out is taking out this airbag itself. So I'm just going to dive right into it, and hopefully I have this out in a minute or two. Well, since I already disconnected the battery and didn't lock the steering wheel before I did this, I'm gonna have to grab a impact to get that bolt out of there. Easy peasy. Okay, now that I've got the stock wheel out of the car, I'd figured that I would show you a little bit of a side-by-side before I put the new one in the car. One thing I do have to do yet is take out the stock buttons here from that wheel and transfer them over to this wheel. It's the same exact setup, so I'll get that unbolted and put into there. But I wanted to show you guys the stock wheel versus the NRW wheel. NRW uses core wheels, so it's the same general core and size. All the OEM parts in the middle, that is all OEM BMW stuff, so nothing to worry about there. They can customize any wheel to your liking. I did not get a special price on this wheel, but I do want to shout them out because the quality on this is insane. So I'll drop their website in the description below, but they have a million different customizations you can do as far as what material you want on the sides, what color carbon fiber you want, what carbon fiber weave you want. Literally endless opportunities on their wheels. He's the guy that can make it happen, and they do have other carbon fiber stuff too. So I would highly recommend them, and I'm gonna get this thing in the car now. I'd love to hear what you guys think about this new wheel, so please drop a comment below with your thoughts. Give this video a thumbs up, that helps other people see this video. Make sure you're subscribed, and if you want a sick hoodie like this, check out bimmerstreet.com to grab some merch. It helps me continue making videos for this channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.